So this is Manus AI. It's one of the most talked AI agents right now. And this for a good reason. It can open the browser, it can search on websites, it can collect data, and it will come back with a full research report, completely autonomous. In this video, I gave it one prompt. Should I invest 10,000 euros in Bitcoin right now? And I just let it run. What you're about to see is Manus doing its thing, and then me building exact the same thing inside Claude Code for a fraction of the price. So here it goes. Manus is opening real websites, Bloomberg, CNBC, Yahoo Finance. It's not just doing a Google search, it's actually navigating these pages like a real human would do. And you can see here it's creating subtasks for itself. Things like gather expert opinions, analyze risk, compile a comparison report. Some websites block it, that's just the reality, but it keeps going. It finds a way around it. This is a real autonomous agent running in a real browser. It's pretty wild to watch. As you can see, it's still going. This thing has been running for a few minutes and it checked many websites. Every time it hits a wall, it just moves on to the next source. What I want you to notice here is how it works. It's not AI doing one thing. It's breaking the task into pieces, running multiple researches in parallel and collecting everything into one place. That's the pattern. And that's exactly what we are going to replicate now. While Manus is still doing its research, let me show you what we are going to use to build exactly the same thing. This is Claude Code. Claude Code is an AI agent that runs in your terminal. It was built for coding, but honestly, you can use it for way more than that. And here's the pricing. The Pro plan, you can get it for $17 a month for Claude, and Claude Code is completely included in that. That's it. Claude Code is a flat subscription, and by the end of the video, I will show you how it produced a research report that rivals that Manus just made. Let's go back to the result first. Okay, it looks like Manus is done. And look at this, it created a full structured document. Market performance, risk analysis, alternative investment comparison, key conclusion, references. It checked a bunch of sources and pulled the latest data, gave us a price prediction, flagged the volatility risks, and at the end of the button, it even listed all its references. Honestly, that's really not bad. This is actually a really solid research report, and this will be our benchmark. Now let's beat it in Claude Code. If you don't have it set up yet, go to Claude AI, upgrade to Pro. The install takes about 2 minutes, and there are plenty of tutorials out there for that part, so I will skip that part and just focus on setting up what we are going to do. What I actually want to show you is something more interesting. I'm opening my terminal right now, and what we are going to do is not just use Claude Code out of the box. We are going to give it superpowers. So this is Claude Code running in the terminal, and this is skills.sh. Skills.sh is basically an app store for Claude Code or any other AI agent. It's a directory of skills. Think of them like plugins. You can extend what Claude Code is doing by installing specific skills. Each skill tells Claude Code, here's what you can do, here's when to use it, and how to use it. Right now, I'm looking for 2 specific skills that are going to let us mimic exactly what Manus did. The first thing I grab is the find skills skill, which lets Claude to find skills and install other skills automatically. There are 2 hot skills we need. The first one is the agent browser. The agent browser gives Claude the ability to open websites, to browse exactly like a human would do, but completely autonomous. This is exactly what Manus was doing. So we can use this skill to also have this kind of search. The second thing is the planning with files skill. The planning with files skill is also pretty interesting because it gives us actually persistent memory while we are spawning sub-agents. This is also what Manus is doing. So Manus is somehow, they are spawning different sub-agents, and each sub-agent is writing down what he found. And in the end, Manus will pick up all of those documents and create a final report. So using this skill, we will have exactly the persistent markdown files like Manus, and we can use this to create our final report in Claude Code. So the markdown files are our working memory. And the funny thing is they literally wrote work like Manus in the description. So this is exactly what we need. And the combination between Agent Browser and the planning with file skill is exactly what we need to mimic Manus. And now here's maybe the coolest part. So instead of installing it manually, I just tell Claude Code to install those skills for us. I just tell it, find the agent browser skill and the planning with file skill and install both. So it searches on the skills directory, locates both plugins or skills, asks for permission and installs them. Here you can see it asks for permission. I just hit yes both times and both are installed, and everything was done in under 1 minute. Now here's where it's getting interesting. I'm not just going to use these skills manually. I'm going to tell Claude Code to build me a custom research skill that combines them. Here's the prompt I gave it. I want to create a Manus AI-like research skill. It should spawn multiple sub-agents that each use the agent browser and planning with file skills. Each sub-agent investigates one facet. Each sub-agent investigates one topic and it's using web search. So it designed a system where the main agent, multiple sub-agents, and each sub-agent is investigating one certain topic. After finishing, it basically stores its findings into our research folder. And when all sub-agents are done, the main agent can actually read those markdown files and combine them and create a full research report. So we have main agent, sub-agent, findings folder, final report. This is exactly how Manus works, like structurally identical. Now after some time, Claude Code created our skill. And now I will ask Claude Code to create exactly the same report like Manus. Should I invest 10,000 euros in Bitcoin right now? It creates a research plan, breaks down the topic into 5 subtopics and launches 5 sub-agents in parallel. And all are running at the same time. Each one is handling a different aspect of the research. This is the part where you just wait, let it run, and in a few minutes we will see if it can match or beat what Manus produced. And here it is. Should I invest 10,000 euros in Bitcoin? Look at this. Bitcoin performance, risk analysis, alternative investment strategies, key conclusions, methodologies, references. It checked more than 30 websites completely on its own and compiled everything into this. Honestly, this is better than I expected. It has the same structure as the Manus report. It has the same depth, same references, and built with Claude Code on a $30 subscription you probably already have. No separate subscription, just Claude Code with 2 skills installed. And the crazy part about this is just one use case, so you can use it for anything you want. So you can create your own agents, you can create your own skills, and you can actually automate any task you want. In the next videos, I want to dig deeper into Claude Code, and I will show you how I use it to increase my performance and my productivity. And I think this is something what anybody should do. Claude Code or even any other AI agents, they are completely changing the way how we live and how we work. So follow this channel to stay updated with the latest AI tools and the latest AI news. Drop a comment if you want me to create another agent or show you how you can automate any task, and see you in the next video.